Today, I want to talk about the importance of sharing your achievements. You may think it's a very small thing. Is it even worth mentioning? Absolutely, it is. Yeah. And today, I want to talk about how we hold ourselves back. We do not share our achievements, thinking they are supposedly not as great. We undermine ourselves, the achievements, and what happens in the process? How does it make us feel? So let's talk about that. And I would request you to stay on right until the end to get the most out of it. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you find this video meaningful, please hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, do you think your achievements are not as great and therefore you refrain from sharing them with others? Happens? Now, how on earth do you expect people to know, people to figure out that you have made an achievement, that you are progressing? Now, consider you are in an organization, right? And आप एक्शंस ले रहे हो, आप एफर्ट्स डाल रहे हो और उसकी वजह से छोटे छोटे रिजल्ट्स भी आ रहे हैं और मैं अगर रिजल्ट्स टर्म ना भी यूज़ करूँ तो यू आर मूविंग अहेड, द होल टीम इज़ मूविंग अहेड, राइट? लेकिन अगर आप वो शेयर नहीं करोगे, और शेयर करने से मेरा मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप जा करके अनाउंस करना शुरू कर दो, या देर आर वेज एंड मीन्स ऑफ डूइंग इट, how in a subtle, powerful way, at the right opportunity, you share your achievements. Because understand, it is important for people to know who you are. In this day and age of social media, things have become much easier. We put it on social media and there you go, right? Having said that, whether it's social media, whether it's one-on-one, two things happen when you are sharing your achievements, no matter how small they are. And I'm calling them achievements, okay? Right? Those small wins, you can say, those little steps forward, you can say, whatever term you want to use, right? तो पहली चीज जो होती है वो ये होती है कि जब आप अपनी कम्युनिटी, अपने लोगों के बीच में जब शेयर करते हो वो अचीवमेंट्स, तो वो लोग ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी जर्नी का पार्ट बन जाते हैं, right? They become a part of your journey. They feel connected. Your relationship strengthens on both fronts. अगर आप social media पर भी share कर रहे हो, people connect. People are watching. They are looking at it and they are watching you making that progress. But they need to see that you're making the progress. So it's important that you market your achievements, right? Otherwise, how are they going to know? And similarly, when you come to your close-knit community, your team, okay, or any other community that you're a part of, sharing with them makes them a part of your journey. They feel connected. They feel, oh yes, I know this is what is happening in his or her life. And that relationship, that bond strengthens. Because who would you go and share with? Only somebody who you feel connected with, who you want to share with, right? अगर आप share नहीं कर रहे हो, do you think it's going to be a deep bond? Right? So it's important to share. It'll give you that feeling of wow, that happiness. So first thing, that connection, that happiness, right? And when they are going to appreciate, when people are going to congratulate you on your little wins, when they are going to applaud you, it only reinforces the whole thing. It reinforces that you are making progress, that you're moving ahead. You hear it from people around, it makes you feel happy, it makes you feel proud of yourself. It just puts in that whole thing in your head, right? Don't you do the same? Don't you applaud those little achievements of people, even if they are the smallest ones? Do you think, oh, what's the big deal in here? Yeah. So don't get stopped because you think it's not a big deal. You may be thinking it's not a big deal, it's something very small. आपको लग रहा होगा ये इतना मायने भी नहीं रखता है, इसको क्या शेयर करूं, लोग सोचेंगे ये क्या बड़ी बात हो गई. But let me tell you, out there are people who are waiting to hear that, who are waiting to just get that one push that okay, I can also do it, who just want that little motivation, oh, this also happens, right? So it's important to share your story, your achievements with the world, with people around. Don't hold yourself back because you're doing injustice not just to yourself but to those out there who need to listen to that. Yep. I hope you got the message. It's very, very important, even for your mental health, right? So don't sulk. Take charge, share with everybody, be happy, and connect with everybody, right? Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.